Hey you! Today we're going to do something I've always wanted to do. We're going to make our very own coloring book. But not just any coloring book. This one is going to be filled with all of our craziest, wildest ideas. Let's jump right in. Okay, just stop and think about this for a sec. Forget about the coloring books you see at the store. What if your book was jam-packed with stuff that only exists inside your own head? I mean, we're talking about really wacky stuff. Like, what if you wanted to color llamas just floating around in spacesuits, or maybe a T-Rex doing the cha-cha? How about a slice of pizza shredding on an electric guitar? If you can dream it up, well, can you actually make it? Oh yeah, you totally can. And you don't even have to be some amazing artist to pull it off. The secret ingredient we're going to use today is AI. All right, first things first, every great book needs one big idea to kind of hold it all together, right? So our very first step is to pick a theme. This is where we decide what our whole book is going to be about. So what's our big idea going to be? You could do a book all about magical creatures, like griffins with sparkly wings, or maybe spooky but cool mythical monsters. What about funny food? Or you could just blast off into outer space. Ooh, you know what I like? The idea of designing our own robot pets. These are just some ideas to get your brain going. But honestly, the best theme is always going to be the one that you're super excited about. So go ahead, invent your own. How about skateboarding vegetables or ninjas in the kitchen? Seriously, anything you can think of works. Okay, so once you've got your theme locked in, it's time to actually talk to the AI. And the way we do that is by writing something called a prompt. Just think of prompts as the magic words that you give to the computer. Yep, it's really that simple. A prompt is just your set of instructions. You're the director and you type in exactly what you want to see. The AI is like your own personal artist, ready to draw whatever you say. Okay, check this out, because this part is super important. How we write the prompt changes everything. See, if we just ask for a colorful robot, the AI might give us a picture that's already colored in. But we want to do the coloring. So the trick is to be really specific, like in the good prompt. You have to tell the AI you want black and white line art. These right here, these are the most important magic words you need to remember. Anytime you want a coloring page, just add black and white, outline, no color to your idea. That basically tells the AI, hey, hands off. I want to color this one myself. And when you get those magic words just right, bam, the AI spits out a perfect, ready-to-color picture, just like you imagined it. All that's left is to print it out and grab your crayons. The absolute best part? Sharing your amazing creation with your friends and family. Now get ready for this, because it's a wild fact. Every single year, just in the United States, people buy over 12 million coloring books. That is a lot of coloring books. But here's the thing about those 12 million books. Not a single one of them is as special or as awesome as the one that you create. Why? Because it came straight from your imagination. Nobody else has one like it. You started, here are a few ideas you can literally just type into an AI art tool. Try a dragon riding a skateboard, black and white line art, easy to color. Or what about a hamburger wearing sunglasses, no background, outline drawing? Just remember to use those magic words. And as you start making stuff, I want you to dream big for a second. Imagine your coloring book is a huge, massive hit. What would you even call your best-selling book? What was the awesome theme that everybody loved?